Amazon is rolling out a new AR feature to make shopping easier. The new Room Decorator tool will allow you to see furniture and home decor in your own home. Using this tool, you'll be able to visualise multiple products at the same time. This will allow you to see how good they fit in your room and whether or not they look good together. Amazon previously launched an AR shopping experience in 2017, but it was a lot simpler than this new tool. The new tool allows you to not only allows you to view multiple products in one view, but you can also save a snapshot to access later. This tool is compatible with thousands of products across Amazon. Products will have a View in Your Room button if they're eligible. Shoppers will also be presented with suggestions of products and that complement the product that they're looking at. Users can add products to their basket straight from the experience. The tool is going to enable users to make more informed decisions about their purchases. This should increase product sales because it should help diminish uncertainty. Don't forget to get these updates straight to your inbox. Subscribe using the link in the description.